right, I am recording. So today we're going to move on to 1.2, which is all about data classification. And today is 9/12. Okay. Yep. Yeah, they're right there by the Play-Doh. Okay. Stupid flies. All right, so we are going to do just 6 definitions today and then lots of examples. And then we're gonna stop for the day and you won't have any homework tonight. And then we'll finish this tomorrow. So, all right, so we're gonna start with the word qualitative. Qualitative is data that is attributes, labels, or non-numerical descriptions. Examples of this. All right, we need a topic. Autumn, you got a topic for us today? Anything?
Trees.
Okay, we're not picking these 2 flies? Okay, all right, it's fine. It's fine, I hate them. I hate them. They also keep landing right on my screen, like, so that everybody can see. Okay, trees. Let's talk about trees. Trees are green. That's qualitative. It can be an oak tree, so naming the type of tree would be qualitative. Anything that is non-numerical counts. This is all tree facts. It's a maple. Could I say that it's 9 years old? Do you think that's qualitative? It is. It has to be non-numerical or a label. So anything that is actually a number that has meaning is going to be quantitative, which is the next thing. This is all tree stuff, but can anybody think of a number that is more of a label than a number that means something? Like, for example, I am 5'2.5", and that's a number that means something. It tells you exactly how tall I am. But what's a number that really doesn't have anything to do with you? It's just a label for you. Old. I mean, that is a description, and that would go here. But I do want it to actually be a number that would be a label. Anybody think a number that like labels you? A number that somebody could identify you with?
Can you just like assign it any number? Can you just say 1?
No, but I mean, like, you have numbers that are assigned to you already. Anybody think of a number that's totally assigned to them?
Social security.
Yes, social security number. Now, your social security number means nothing but a label. It just says this is Noah Dalkey. It doesn't mean like if the first number of your social security number is a 4, that doesn't mean that that's how many cats you have. Like, that just is number 4, like it's just your label. Another thing would be like a sports jersey. It's not like, oh, I'm number 1 because I'm the best on the team, or because I'm the tallest on the team, or I'm the fastest. You picked the number 1 as your jersey number. That's why you're number 1. Driver's license. These are just numbers that identify you. They are not meaningful. Quantitative data is data that is numerical and meaningful, which means that the number itself actually means something. Okay, tell me a fact about a tree that I could write down that is a number that means something. It is 20 feet tall. That is a quantitative thing. What else?
It's 9 years old.
9 years old. These are numbers that mean something. It's not like I said, how tall is that tree? And I said, 20 feet. And they said, oh, is it actually 20 feet tall? And I said, no, I just like the number 20. You know, like, no, it's 20 feet tall. It has 2,567 leaves on it right now. That would be the most boring job ever, to count how many leaves were on a tree, but do you see what I mean? These are numbers that mean something. Now, these are the general categories, and then there are 4 levels of measurement. They are nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal is only qualitative. Ordinal can be qualitative or quantitative. Interval is always quantitative. And ratio is always quantitative. Okay, nominal is like names or labels or descriptions. And there is no order to this. I realize that I could put names in alphabetical order, but there's no meaningful reason to, besides just keeping things ordered. If somebody has a name last name that begins with an A, it doesn't mean that they're the smartest person or the tallest person or the prettiest person. It just means their last name begins with A. Nominal examples. Let's see. Colors of dinosaurs. A list of colors. Or if those dinosaurs had names, the names of the dinosaurs. Ordinal is in order. So these are things that are in order. Or they have an order to them. But you don't know differences. This is often like rankings. Noah, what year were you born?
2006.
Okay, so let's say in the year 2006 that Noah was the most popular name. So if I was to make a list, I'd say number 1 was Noah, second most popular name was Nathan for boys, third most popular name was Carlos for boys, etc. Okay? Now, suppose this was a real list and it was like most popular baby names, how more popular is Noah than Nathan? You don't know, right? From this list, you don't know. You don't know if Noah had one more name than Nathan did and barely pushed out Nathan,